It was genetically tested for MTHFR plus the related genes, because it's not just MTHFR that matters. There's one for B12 uptake, how well your body processes B12. There's one for vitamin D. There's one for choline. My body does not make choline on its own, so I have to get it directly from food or a supplement. There's one for tests if your body converts beta carotene into retinol and vitamin A, and mine does not. Also, I have poor vitamin D uptake and B12 as well. The genes that are associated with that. Then there's, what's the other one? There's a few. There's MTHFR, which affects MTHFR. It makes it worse. And if you have it, and I have that one, and I have one that I think is probably the least of my worries. This one, caffeine, my body makes, it has a fast absorption, I guess. It absorbs caffeine fast, or like 30 something percent. So I always get tired from caffeine. I didn't used to, but caffeine would always wear off on me pretty fast. It would work for like an hour or two maybe, and then I would get tired. And then if I took it at night, it would do that, and then it would make me tired, and then I would feel like I had like the best sleep. But lately, I didn't. And then my very low B12 blood levels, 163, and then getting the genetic test that confirms that I have issues with B12. And then I've always had low vitamin D in my blood, and that also confirms the genetic test confirmed that. My iron, according to my genes, my iron is, my body processes iron normally. So there's a bunch of things in this test that could help you if you want to know about how your body processes or produces certain really important things like B12, all the ones I said. Choline's pretty important. And there's another one, I can't remember the name of it. So yeah, the link is in the description for this genetic test. So they have payment plans, and they also they tell you what it means. So they tell you what the result of each thing means, and they also tell you what would be like the best diet they think would be for you. For me, is Mediterranean. I've always known that, anyways. Yeah. So the link is in the description, and the payment plans is like, I think it's like $30 a month. That's what I've been paying. So it takes about, I don't know how total. They say like 5 to 7 weeks. It always takes long with genetic testing, and you just get a vial and you take the swab out, swab your cheek, put it back in, then there's a piece of paper you have to fill out, so they know it's you, and then you send that back with the vial, and then they email you your results. Takes around, I'd say around 5 weeks. Yeah.